Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the funnel to turn your free leads into the paid leads in WordPress. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan. Welcome to the skillshacks.com. If you are interested in creating a sales funnel without using the ClickFunnels, and if you want to learn how to create a sales funnel in WordPress and using this sales funnel, what you can do if you are getting the free leads, if you are offering a lead magnet to capture the emails of your subscriber or prospective customers, then you must be offering something for free. So that's the good strategy. But what if you can just add some upsells to that free leads and turn some of those free leads into the paid leads using the funnels, which I'm going to show you how you can create, as I will reveal how I have created one funnel, and I would show you how you too can create your own funnel step by step using the WordPress. And what you need, two things. Number one is the WordPress website, and number two is a website builder, and for this purpose we are going to use the Elementor Pro, and the third one is the email marketing software. So in this video I'm going to use the Mailster plus the Amazon SES. So this is my own email marketing system, so using this I have the full control. However, if you don't have that, you can use the MailChimp or any other email service provider like SendFox or MailPoet or Aweber or ConvertKit or whatever you like. But I am going for the cheapest option and the best option, and that is the Mailster. So I have the full control over my email marketing campaigns, and now I will show you how I am offering a free lead, how I'm getting the free leads, and then how I'm going to convert those free leads into the paid leads. So let's dive in and let's start. So as you can see, this is my lead capture page. So as you can see, this is the download cinematic bar Premiere Pro preset free. All right, so what I'm just offering, I'm offering this cinematic bar preset absolutely free. If somebody just opt in over here, just enter their email and email address over here. All right, so let me just remove it. So if anybody enters their email address, name and email address, and I agree, and then download it. So at this moment you can see they enter email below to download. So once that person would enter their email and the name and just click on the agree and select the download. So what basically he will get a message. Let me show you how it works. I have created a video on YouTube. This is the video, cinematic video Premiere Pro. So in this video I have talked about how you can create your own cinematic bar presets, and I have offered them as a preset, so you don't have to spend that much of time in order to create this bar. So you can save a lot more time using this, and so I'm just offering this absolutely free if you just provide me the name and the email address. So if somebody enters over here their name and email address, so let me just write my name and select agree and select the download. Now you will see what will happen. It will take me to this page, check your emails and confirm. So please check your email and confirm your subscription. So thereafter what will happen, I will receive, or the prospective lead would receive a email. All right, so in their inbox, let me see, it takes some time. You can see that I have received this email, Harshvardhan from harshvardhan.com, and it says that please confirm your email address. So once I'll click over here, click here to confirm, it will open a new tab and I would directly be taken to this page. Okay, so this is the download page. So what I have to do, I have to click on this download bar preset. So if I click over here, my bar preset or preset would be downloaded. So I'll save it. All right, so as you can see, there is nothing wrong with this lead, this free magnet lead. I got the name and the email address, but you can see that the entire process is free. All right, except this ad. I'm just getting, if somebody clicks on this ad, I might get something, but that's very low chances that somebody would click on this, and there is a penny which I can just make with out of this ad. So as you can see that this entire funnel is free. Okay, so the person who is interested in downloading this cinematic bar, he comes to my landing page. All right, So this is the landing page, and he enters their name and email address, and he just clicks on the download. He is taken to the another page. He subscribes, he confirms his subscription, and he is taken to this page and he downloads it. But there is no way I can make money out of this, or I can make more money out of this, except this little bit pennies on clicks. So what else you can do? What if you can just add some paid thing or the paid option right here before they go over on this page? You can just add, if you can just add a product or service which you can offer for a higher price, be it your own or be it an affiliate offer. So if they buy, you will get some commission. So this is called the turning your free lead into the paid lead. So this is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to create the funnel for this one. All right, so now what I have to do, I have to create a landing page once again. So this landing page I have already created. Okay, you can see though I have added some of these affiliate products right over here, but these there is a very few chance that people would go down and download this, because he has come over here, he or she has come over here to download this cinematic bar preset. All right, you can use your own service or product for this purpose. So what I need to do, I need to create a landing page for this. So let's build a landing page in the WordPress. So in the WordPress, you need to install the Elementor Pro. Elementor free is also available, but this works best with the Premiere Pro, because Premiere Pro has lots of option and it's very cheap, just $49 for entire year for one site. So the link of this is in the description section below. If you just download it, I might get some commission at no extra cost to you, but this, believe me, this would be very helpful to you if you want to create the funnel, unlike the ClickFunnels where you are paying $99 every month for the basic plan. But here you can create your own funnels, and this is lot less cheaper, right? So if you want to learn how to create your own email marketing system, the video is coming to this channel. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my videos, and you can create your own email marketing system, which is very cheap, because it is based on the Amazon SES, which allows you to send around 1 million emails just for around, I think, $10 a month. So that's very cheap and cost effective. So this entire setup you can do at your own, because you don't need any special knowledge. I do not have any programming skills or coding skills or coding knowledge. I just do it a simple way, a step-by-step way, non-technical way. If you are interested, do let me know in the comments so that I can make this video very fast and notify you. So if you are interested in building your own SMTP server or own email marketing server or own email marketing system, then do let me know in the comment section. And there is a list, you can subscribe to this list. So if you are interested, you can register yourself by clicking on the registration button or registration link below this video. So all you have to do, just enter your name and email address, and the moment that video would be out or that course would be created, you would be notified. All right, so if you are interested, just do this. Or now let's come back to the dashboard. All right, so this is the dashboard I have right now. So in this, I have already installed my newsletter plugin. So I need to go to the newsletter, and over here you can see I have list. So I have created a list already for this one. Let me show you first. So this is the list for video editing cinematic bars. So if I'll just click on this, at this moment I have 13 subscribers. All right, so these are the 13 subscribers. Okay, so first let's create the landing page. So for that purpose, what we need to do, we need to click on this new and select the page. So I'm going to click on a new page. So I'm going to call it cinematic lead paid lead landing page. Okay, so title doesn't matter, so that you can just recognize it. So this is the landing page, and thereafter I need to click on the save as draft. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to click on the edit with Elementor. So you need to have the Elementor installed. So what you can do, how you can install it, just go to the plugins and select add new and search for Elementor. Okay, this is the best drag and drop plugin using which you can create any kind of a beautiful landing page or website or anything you can create with this one. So this is the Elementor page builder. Just click on the activate, install and activate it, and then you need to just get this the pro version. So let me show you how you can get the pro version. So in the this is the, let's see the pricing. This is the landing page. So at this moment, free have very limited options. You might not be able to create the perfect landing page with the option of this one, but just for $49 a year, so it's very effective, very cost effective and very useful website builder. So you can see it has 50 plus pro widgets, 300 plus pro templates, and 10 plus full website template kits, theme builder, WooCommerce builder, pop-up builder, support for 1 year, support or update for 1 year. So you can just click on the buy now and you will get this one. All right, so if you want for more than one site, you can get for $99 per year, and for 1,000 sites it's $199 per year. So it's very cheap and very affordable. And let me show you what you can do with this one. So you can see this is all easy drag and drop builder. So you can just customize everything and each and everything without any knowledge of coding. So you can see you can create the this kind of a form and this kind of everything design, all the designs. So there are so many pre-made designs, you can use those. And if you want to use my own design, if you buy through my link and just send me the receipt and on my email, and I will send you my own templates. All right, so once you install it and activate it, once you just buy it, you will get the Elementor Pro plugin. And thereafter what you have to do, you have to go once again to the add new plugins and add new, and you need to click on the upload plugin, choose file, and then you need to browse that builder or that Elementor Pro, and you need to install it and activate it. So you need to have both the Elementor free version as well as Elementor Pro, because it works that way only. All right, so thereafter what you have to do, you will get this option over here. So you will get this option, added with Elementor. So you need to click on this, and after this you will see this kind of a page. And what you have to do, you have to click on this folder. Let me show you. So this is the folder, and basically these are the templates. So all these templates are really amazing. You can see you can create amazing site with just one click. So let me show you. If you click on this, you can see the entire page is built for you. Everything is done for you. So you can choose any of the page, any modern design like this one, let's say. So these can be inserted only through the Elementor Pro version. There are some free options available, but most of the good design are available only for the Pro version. All right, and then we have the blogs. So these are some blogs which are pre-made for you, like frequently asked questions and opt-in forms and all these. But all right, but I'm going to use my own template. So I have some of my template for this purpose. So let me just go for the, let's say this one, download with ads. Okay, let me click on the preview to see how it's going to look. All right, so this is how it's going to look. So I'm going to use this template. I have created this template. If you want it, I will give it to you once you buy the Elementor Pro. All right, from my link. And let's see, where is it? Okay, so I just need to click on the insert, and it's going to ask whether you want to import the document setting, and I would say yes. And you can see now this has been inserted over here. So I have placed some ads on both of these, but I'm going to delete these because I'm not going to use these for this template. So I'm going to just delete this. You can easily delete any of these, and let me just close this one as well. And I don't want the ads to be over here, so I'm going to just delete it. Oh, oops, Let me press Ctrl Z and delete this one because I don't want the ads, and this one as well. So I'm going to just delete this one. All right. So basically over here I'm going to place a video. So once a person confirms his subscription, he would be taken over here on this page. All right. So on this page he will have my message. So I have already recorded one video. So let me show you my video which I have recorded. This is the video which I have recorded. So I'm going to just a link of this one. So let me select copy link and I'll go back. Where is it? This one. I will click on this pencil icon, and over here you can see the source. I will select the YouTube and I will delete the earlier video and paste this URL of my video. So this is my video. So if I just play it.
So thank you so much for taking action. Your cinematic bar preset will arrive in your inbox 15 minutes from now. Did you wait for those presets to arrive in your inbox? Why not let me take this opportunity to help you even further? I think that you are interested in.
Alright, so what I have done, I have just recorded a video showing that your free gift would arrive in your inbox, and till then what you can do, you can just, if you want to learn more, you can just buy some of these stuffs which I'm going to put over here. All right, so now I'm going to click over here and add the heading over here. So I can type anything or any heading which I want over here. So all right, so I'm going to just make it heading 2. All right, and I'm going to select this and going to select the bold, and I will center it. Okay, 3 easy steps, and if you want you can make it even larger. So let's go for 24 pixel, or not 24 pixel, 48 pixel. All right, make your video cinematic in 3 easy steps. All right, so this is the video, and I have talked about certain. Let me just delete this one. Okay, let me just click and drop it over here, and I'm going to write over here, thank you for subscribing. Your free gift will arrive in your inbox within 15 minutes. So let me just make it little larger. So let's go for 60 pixels. Okay, I need to select this text, and now let's make it something like this. All right, and I'm going to click on the box, and I'm going to click and drag some spacer. So I'll just drop this spacer over here. So that's going to add some space, and now I'm going to just create this gap. If I want, I can make more gap, but I don't want more gap. I'll just go for this one. Alright, so now this one is done, and over here I have talked about 2 things, 2 affiliates offer I am just mentioning in this video. The number one is the cinematic color preset, one product. So I'm just going to add this. So I'll just click on the pencil icon and come over here and click on the download LUTs preset pack. Okay, and I'm going to add my affiliate link over here, right? And click on the second one, watch how to use it. So I'll just add over here. I don't want this one, so what I will type over here, download cinematic tracks. Okay, so these are the 2 things, and one is for the unlimited download. This is something else. So this is also my affiliate link. So if people would take action, they will download this one or this one or this one, or let me just delete this one because I don't need this one. I have added this in case these buttons will not work, people can click on this. So I think this is let me just I think delete it. So I don't need this one, and add some spacer over here. So I'll just click and drag it over here. So that's going to add some space, and let's drag one more space between these. Okay, and let's make it smaller, and let's copy this one from here and select this one and paste, and it's going to add some space between these two as well. So let's make the space little less over here as well, something like this. And over here there is an ad, so I can just delete this ad. Okay, now that ad is also deleted. Okay, so this is started, and let me just save this draft. All right, and there is one more setting which I need to do over here, and that setting is by going to the settings, and over here I need to select the Elementor full width or Elementor canvas. All right, so in this case there would be no header and no footer, just the elements, right? So that would be a very clean page, and if I want I can hide the title because we have written something else on the title. So let me just tell you. Oops. Let me close this one, click on this one, and click on this one, hide title. So if I check this one, the title would not be visible, right? So this is the landing page which we have got. So I'm just going to publish it. You can just publish it later on as well, but before we see, let's first click on these responsive mode, how it's going to look on various devices. So at this moment we are seeing the desktop mode, so let's click on the tablet, and that's going to show us the tablet video. So how it's going to look on the tablet. So I think there is more. Okay, this is fine. All right, this is how it's going to look on the tablet, and let's click on the mobile, and you can see this is way too large, so I'll just click on this one, and I'm going to let's make it smaller. So I'll select all of these text, and let's go for say 32. Okay, 32 is fine, and for this as well, let's Control A, and let's make it 36. Okay, and rest of this is just fine. And let's go for the tablet. This is how it's going to look in the tablet, and on the desktop this is how it's going to look on the tablet. So instead of using this, what you can do, you can add the title heading. So I'll just add the heading over here. Okay, and I will just copy this text and paste this text over here. Oops. Let me just copy this and click on the heading and place the heading over here and make it center, make it H1. Okay, and if I want to change this, let's make it press enter, something like this. Thank you for subscribing, and your free gift will arrive in your inbox. Free gift. Okay, and I'm going to select the text, and text color I can change it to red, but it's going to be everything would be red. Let the entire thing be red because that's the important message. Alright, so now you can see I have updated and added all my links over here on this. So all of my affiliate links I have added over here. So let me refresh this page. Alright, so this is finally our landing page would look like. So I can just press F12 to see how this is going to look on mobile device. So you can see thank you for subscribing, your free gift will arrive in 15 minutes, and if they want they can just download these as well. Alright, so now let me show you how you are going to do this. So let me click on this, thereafter click on this one, this hamburger menu, and you can see you can click on the view page. So this is our final page. Right, so I'll just click and copy it. So now I'm going to show you how you are going to use this page. So when somebody subscribes and he confirms his subscription, then he is sent to this page instead of directly to the download page. So we are creating a bridge between the download and the subscription form, so that bridges the gap and that can make us some money. All right, so now as you can see, I have already created a list. All right, so and with the list you have to create a form as well. So I have created a form specifically for this purpose. So let me click on the forms. So these options would be available when you will have the Mailster newsletter plugin installed. And over here you can see I have this list created, video editing cinematic bars, so that I can just recognize it. So I'll just click on this one, and you can see go to the settings, and in the settings you can see there are options that redirect after submit. So after submit they will be redirected to this page. I have created this page, check your email and confirm. That's a very simple page. Let me see, where is it? Okay, I've already shown you. That's a very simple page. So here people need to go to their inbox, check their inbox and confirm the subscription. That's very important, because sometimes people just enter the fake emails, and though you will get more subscribers, but those would increase your bouncing rate, and that would ultimately affect your reputation or your domain's reputation. So you won't be able to send emails to them because that's the fake email. All right, so it's always good to have the double opt-in. That's why I have created that after submit they will be redirected to this page, that please check your inbox and confirm. And once they confirm their subscription, you can see over here redirect after the confirm. So this is the option, redirect after the confirm. So I have just added, this is the default bar. So download option, or this is the download page which I have created. This is the download page. Where is it? Okay. All right, so this was the download page where they can download their preset. So I was sending all my subscribers to this after they have completed the subscription. So but now what I will do, I will just replace this page link with this newly created landing page which we have just created, or this bridge page or the money page. So I'll just copy this URL and place it over here. So what will happen now, the moment somebody would subscribe, he would be sent to this ad or this page. All right, and they can make the decision whether to buy or even at least check out these options which I am offering them, these things. All right, so and thereafter I'm going to just press the save. All right, and now you can see we have created the sign up form, sign up page. This is the landing page. All right, this one is the landing page, and we have created a bridge page where we are offering some more products and services, so they can buy that. And thereafter you can see the only missing link from here is the download link or the download page. So what we can do here, we can create an autoresponder. So autoresponder would be sent to the person who immediately subscribes to you, and after certain time that email would be sent to that person that this is your free link, you can download this from here or from this page. So now I'll go for the autoresponders. So I'll click on the autoresponder and I will click on the new autoresponder, and I would write download link. Okay, so in the subject I will write your free gift. Okay, and let me add some emoji or some good emoji. Let's say, okay, your free gift, cinematic bars, free download link. All right, and over here I'm going to compose this mail. So I will drag one intro. So I'll just drop it over here, and I will just copy this subject from here and paste it over here. All right, and I will write hi, and over here I'm going to click an user first name. So automatically whatever the username's first name would be, that would be inserted over here, and I will enter exclamation and then thank you for being part of my awesome creative community. I am here to help you, and I will select this and copy this page URL, and I'll click on the insert link and I will press and enter it. Okay, so and let me just add these so that they can easily recognize it. All right, and on the below I'll write thanks and regards, Harsh Vardhan Roy. Alright, unleash the creative in you. Okay, so let me just select this and make it bold, and select this one, make it italic, and give a gap and press enter. Alright, so this is how it's going to look. This email we are going to send automatically to the person when he confirms the subscription after 15 minutes, because we have mentioned that your free gift would arrive in 15 minutes from now. Right, so now what we'll do, we'll select this on this side. So send this autoresponder after, let's say, 15 minutes. We can choose the hours, days, weeks, months, years. All right, but we are going to send this, let's say, in 7 minutes. All right, or let's go for the 5 minutes. Right, so we want to send it to them earlier. All right, not later on, so we can over deliver and they would be more happy to get this one. All right, and then we can select this when user signed up or on a unsubscribe. We have other option as well, publish specific time or campaign, or send an action. So we'll send them after a user signed up, and then we need to choose the list. So over here I have created this list, cinematic video editing, cinematic bars. So this is the list which we have selected. All right, so once somebody would sign up after 5 minutes, this email would be automatically sent to that person, and thereafter we can just click on the send test. So over here you can type your email to check this out. So let me send the test, because we want to test whether we are getting the right message or not. So let me go back. So now you can see we have received this test email. So this is the exact email which would be sent to the person who subscribed to our list. So your free gift from Cinematic Bars free links. Hi Harsh, and thank you for being part of our awesome creative community. I'm here to help you out. You can download your free cinematic bar from this and click on this. Right, so you can customize the message according to you. Maybe this is not the perfect message, and then after he can just click on the download bar preset and he can download it. So now you can see, let me click over here. Let me just customize it a little bit. Place it over here. If you have any question, please let me know. Let me know. I'm here to help you. Thanks and regards. All right. So this is the email, exact email which will go. I will delete this subject because I don't want the subject to be everywhere. All right. So if you want, you can add the images as well, but I'm not going to add any image for this one. So now let's check this once again. Send this autoresponder after 5 minutes. User signed up, and signed up to which list? Video editing cinematic bars. At this moment it had 13 subscribers. All right, and if we want, we can even change or edit some condition, but in this case there is no such condition is required. All right, so your free gift, let's check once again. The subject is your free gift cinematic bars free download link, right? And then we will press the save, and that's going to save. The autoresponder is now saved, and if you want to confirm whether this autoresponder is active or not, let's go on the all campaigns, click on the all campaigns, and over here click on the autoresponders. So these are all autoresponders. So this is the cinematic bars free download links and active, and it shows the detail sends after 5 minutes user signed up, right? And then we have some other, so I can create some emails after 1 day or 2 day, recommending them some products or services or helping them out with some of my videos. So this is how this is being sent, and thereafter we can see that how many campaigns were sent, how many was opened, and how many clicks were got, how many unsubscribe we have got, how many bounces we have got, right? So all these options are available over here. So if you don't want to increase your bounce rate, make sure you always choose the double opt-in. So that's very important, because if people just enter their name and email and they immediately get to the landing page or the desired page or the desired lead magnet, they will never ever give you the perfect or the right email, because most of the people, they don't give you the correct email, right? So this is how you can create a funnel using which you can turn your free leads into the paid leads very easily. So this is the landing page which you can create, or the bridge page, or you can say the money page. You can easily create in WordPress, and you don't need a ClickFunnels. You can create this right within the WordPress. All right, so you have to have two things. Number one is the WordPress website, all right, and the Elementor Pro installed on this one, and the second one is the newsletter plugin. So you can choose the MailPoet, or you can create your own email marketing campaign, or your own email marketing system using the Mailster plugin and the Amazon SES. So both of these two will help you to create unlimited funnels, because as far as the other companies are concerned, other email marketing services are concerned, they limit you with some subscriber. So, and they charge you a hefty amount of money, but I am not able to give them that much of money, and I don't want to spend that much of money. Instead, I want to take full control of all of my email marketing campaigns. So that's why I have built this system. So if you are interested to learn how to build your own email marketing system easily without any coding, without any technical knowledge, then please register yourself. I have a list or subscribe form below this, so you can just click on that link, and that would take you to one page like this one, and there you can just enter your name and email address, and you would be subscribed, and you would be notified when you will get when that video would be available or that course would be available. So thank you so much. If you have any question, you can shoot me a message or shoot me an email. My email ID is harsh@harshvardhanart.com or harshvardhanart@gmail.com. These are my two emails, main emails I use. All right, and you can send me the message over the Instagram as well. My Instagram ID is @harshvardhanart, instagram.com/harshvardhanart. All right, so thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.